One of the most important conversations that shape the way I approach deepening relationships and also presenting, especially with remote work setups, happened years ago with CEO mentor Darren Hardy. He's the author of a terrific book called The Compound Effect, and he's also the former publisher of Success magazine. So he's interviewed some of the biggest names and leaders in the world. As a speaker and interviewer, I have always been fascinated and interested in those small nuances of what it takes to earn someone's trust and connect deeper instead of simply communicating. So in this interview, I asked Darren point blank, Darren, what is your secret? What is your secret to getting people to trust you enough to open up and share what's really going on? And he said two words to me that still resonate to this day. Go first. And I remember thinking, go first. Now tell me more about that. He said, if you want to motivate someone to take action, go first and find out what motivates them and help them achieve that. If you want someone to trust you and you want them to be vulnerable, go first and reveal something raw and real about yourself. You know, you could even consider our hybrid work setups where new employees are onboarded remotely. They haven't met anyone in person, and of course they feel awkward, they feel anxious. If you're the leader presenting in that meeting with some new employees, go first and talk about the struggles you had when you first started. Then you begin to create a safe space where people are open to sharing what they're really thinking and what they're really feeling. Every time we meet someone for the first time, we ask ourselves many questions. One of the most common questions we ask is, can I trust you? And trust isn't something that you get, it is something that you earn. Some of the common barriers to trust include, and you may have experienced this virtually, ambiguous communication, lack of intentional feedback, lack of intentional gratitude, appreciating those around us. But building trust will not only help you deepen relationships, but also it will have your audience listening to your message and doing something with it. And we will explore some key ideas for you to help build trust in this video. I'm Riaz. Welcome to the channel that helps leaders, coaches, and experts connect with confidence every time you speak. Subscribe to this channel to get the latest videos and best tips that will help elevate your influence and impact and make you a magnetic presenter. Every time we speak, we have an opportunity to connect with and persuade our audience to think differently. Now, how can you speak in a way that builds more trust? An important starting point is recognizing that trust really is the compound effect of consistency. Consider the feedback you give your team or your audience. Are you consistently providing motivating praise or constructive criticism? If you do this regularly, the audience on the other side knows you care about them and their growth and you're paying attention. It eliminates the guessing game where they may be asking themselves, how am I doing here? Consistency with your feedback is helpful, and consistency with asking for their input is equally as valuable because people want to feel like their ideas matter. For example, you could have sessions inviting others to get creative with brainstorming, and these sessions are so important to keep them engaged. Leading with listening. Consistency with your accessibility is also key. If something needs to be addressed, if your teams, they know you're available, they'll feel a stronger sense of inclusion and belonging knowing that they have a champion to acknowledge their ideas, to acknowledge their thoughts, to acknowledge their concerns. Another idea here is to brainstorm for questions, not answers. People want to feel as if they're not alone with their current struggle or challenge, and a great way to create a safe and trusting space when leading your meetings or leading your presentations is to brainstorm for just questions before we get to those solutions. This ignites their curiosity. This could be one-to-one with a group, with an audience. This ignites their curiosity without them having to lose face by stating the wrong answer. For example, if you were about to launch a product or project, invite people to provide only questions about the task at hand. When is the best time to launch? What should we include? Who should be using this? And when you do this type of brainstorm, bring in someone from a different department, but with the same overall goals as you, because they don't fear judgment from others on your team. They are there to make you think differently. And once more people start contributing, Guess what's happened? We're going to create a safe space for others to contribute more, bring out their curiosity, and people will begin to trust that their ideas will be heard and start to speak up. Another key point is to connect emotion with your content. If you are presenting your experiences in meetings or on stage as a speaker, ask yourself, does my emotional tone match the intensity of the experience? This contrast is crucial. For example, if you're sharing a heartbreaking story of losing a loved one and are too worried about how you come across and end up simply communicating words without any emotion whatsoever, your audience will start questioning if they could trust you, because your emotional intensity then isn't congruent with your words you're sharing. The goal here is to stay in the moment and give them your full presence and connect emotion to those words. And finally, ask for feedback. Simple idea. We all became broadcasters during this pandemic, and virtual communication is not a fad. It is now an accepted mode of communication that's here to stay. If we want to build trust when we present, it is on us as presenters to watch our playback, ask for feedback, and learn how our messages are landing. For example, some key questions you could ask: what worked and what missed the mark with my delivery? What did it feel like to hear this message? What could I have done to present more effectively? These are all questions that will help you become a stronger presenter once you hear that feedback. And leading with this humility will also show others your intention to serve with your message, and that intention is authentic. There are plenty of videos for you on this channel to help present with confidence, in person and virtually. But the key here is strong communication and healthy cultures are built on transparency and trust. Having productive disagreements and conflict, this is important to create breakthroughs for new ways of thinking. It takes thoughtfulness, it takes courage, it takes planning. But if trust is built, those difficult conversations will become easier because people will know you care and you've got their back. And it will transform conflict into collaboration, and your relationships will be better for it. What helps you build trust and relationships when you speak and you communicate? Share your best ideas in the comments below. If you're looking for more ideas on presenting and meaningful human connection, you can download the free guide, The 5 Secrets to Making Every Conversation Count. You'll find that link in the description below. And if you are looking to level up your presentation skills and connect with confidence every time you speak, be sure to apply for the Magnetic Presenter program that helps transform you and your ideas into powerful presentations that will elevate your impact and your influence. Big thanks for watching this video. As always, if you want to ace the guest intro or conquer your speaking anxiety, or check out other great resources on this channel, here are just a couple of videos. If you found this content valuable, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and feel free to share the content. We'll see you in the next video.